custom bike check. Start at the front, ODI grips, Primo bars, third stem, Wheelie People Envy forks, front wheel, Alienation hub laced to an Alienation rim, Primo pegs, and Miracle tyre. Moving on to the frame, got a Wheelie People Envy with Savage seat posts, just a light thing, does the job. Infinity cranks, just some cheap pedals but do the job, eh? Echo, which got a sprocket, KMC cool chain. Go to the back, same peg again as the front, with custom wheel, got a solid revolver rim, absolutely no clue on the hub, with a Crazy Bob tyre. Good quick hub sound. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike.